Hey there folks, this is DMC Jedi Man. I'm coming to another video. Today's another taste test, but before I reveal what it is, don't forget if you like my content, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay notified when I upload. Check out my gaming channel sometime if you like video game Let's Plays. And feel free to follow DMC Jedi Man's Den on social media. I'm currently on Facebook, Twitter, Discord, and Blue Sky. Links, as always, will be in the description below. So today I am trying the new limited edition Flipz fried chocolatey sandwich cookie pretzels. Now these were given to me by my friend Adam, aka Hank Williams Fan 1986 on YouTube. He didn't really like them very much. I don't know how I'm gonna like them, but I'm willing to give it the old college try. Similar to what he said, they do smell good. Now, I think these are supposed to taste like deep-fried Oreos. These ain't bad. Yeah, you can definitely taste, you know, an Oreo-ish cookie. You know, also fair batter. I actually kind of like these. These get a thumbs up from me. Of course, that's why I always suggest that people try things to see if they like them, because he didn't like them, but I do. I don't know why my camera has decided to go all fuzzy on me, but not much I can do about that. I'm about to wrap this one up anyway. Hope everyone enjoyed that taste test. I'll be back with another soon. Till next time, this has been DMC Jedi Man, and I am signing off. Peace, everybody.